Yo, what's poppin', my goons, all my chosen ones, worldwide, what up? We'll be back in effect today. Got another powerful prophetic message from the Most High. Yo, this video is about how people gonna get mad at you, shit like that. When you do you, and you don't need them. People are going to get mad at you when you put all your attention on you, okay? People want you to have nothing but your attention focused on them. They want all your mental space, okay? They want to live in your head. They want to have you thinking about them all the freaking time. They are always want to be like on top and you got to be on bottom. They do not want to see you trying to level up. They do not want to see you focus on your goals, focus on your path, focus on your craft, focus on whatever it's going to be for you to blast off to the moon, to another plateau. You're trying to get to a destination. You're trying to get something, some way, somehow. They don't want to hear that shit. They just want to hear that you need them. People will get pissed off at you when they find out you don't need them, okay? It's like, especially females, like a female will get pissed off when you don't need her. She wants to be needed, okay? Women love to nurture. It's in their nature to nurture, okay? So you dealing with a shorty, she gonna get pissed off when you start doing your own thing, okay? You start a YouTube channel and you wanna blast off and you making content and you don't have time to just sit up under her and just, you know, be on the phone with her talking about this, that, and the other, giving her time about just some BS, wasting time. You put that energy into yourself, into your craft, into your business. She gonna be mad at you. She gonna hate that. She's not gonna support it. You would think like, dang, I need a supportive shorty who's got my back and who wants to see me win like that. I'm telling you, like, I didn't had a girlfriend before. They were not supportive. I'd had like maybe like 2 girlfriends where I started doing my own thing. They were not supportive. They were not supporting what I was doing. Straight like that, you know. So it be like that, you know. Females always want all the attention on them. They want to be the center of your world. They want you to gravitate to them because they know, like, if you make it, chances are high you're gonna leave them. Straight like that. Kanye West said it in that song, Gold Digger. You know, you just keep grinding and trying. You stay right, girl. When you get on, he's gonna leave you for a white girl. You know, shit like that. It might not be a white girl, that's the case. Whatever it may be, whatever race, it don't matter. It's just the fact that you're gonna get like somebody else, you know, because you can get a different kind of female when you level up as a guy. So let's say your girl is like a 6 right now, and a 6 is good. You know, it's a lot of baddies out here that's hot, the hot 6s. You know, but now you level up, you blast off to a whole other plateau. Now you pulling baddies that are 8s, 9s all the time, like nothing. Okay, they don't want to hear that, man. I'm telling you, people want you to stay under them. They want to be needed. People will hate your guts for not needing them. Okay, straight like that. It's a baddie in the gym, right? That I can tell, like, she does not like me no more. She hates my guts because, like, I don't need her, and she knows that. And she's the kind of female that, like, she likes guys that need her. Straight like that. She deal with somebody who needs her. So it's like, yo, this dude is independent. He don't need you. So it's like, well, screw you then, you know, because you put all your focus on you. You put all your energy on you. I'm keeping a buck with you. No one's going to like you when you do your own thing. You don't need them. I'm keeping it all the way real. Men too. Like, people like to be needed. They like to be wanted. But when they don't need you, they're going to feel some type of way about it. So it's like, yo, I'm an only child. And all I know is, like, you know, kind of like that loner vibe, being a lone vibe. So it's like, I know what it's like to just do for myself for the most part. You know, all the freaking time. Like, that's how I came up. That's how I was raised. You know, I don't have no brothers and sisters like that, or no cousins and stuff like that to, you know, help out and build with me and stuff like that. So I don't know what that life is like. All I know is just do it yourself. So I'm very hands-on, do it myself. You know, so all my editing, I do it myself. You know, I learned music production, I do it all myself. You know, I learned how to do camera work, you know, do it myself. I'm the on-air talent, do it myself. The marketing, I do it myself. So it's like, everything I do, I learn how to do it myself. And it pisses people off. They're like, dang, you're a one-man machine. And it makes you dangerous, okay? If you're a one-man band, a one-man machine, a one-man army, it's dangerous. People do not like that one-man army vibe, okay? It's tough. Like, it'll get you a lot of respect, though. Because, like, you ain't got no choice but to respect it. But at the same time, they're gonna hate on it too. It's like, dang, who do you think you are? You know, Mr. One Man Band Army. You know, army of one. Yeah, that's the vibe. You know, army of one with it, strong with it. And you just gotta move around like that, you know. And I'm telling you, like that lone wolf vibe, it gets shit done, and people don't slow you up. People will be mad at you, like people will hate you. They'll resent you because you don't need them. You know, it's like it's people that like jump to the occasion to help out, you know, and they feel like they don't have no purpose or no calling or nothing to do in life. They don't have nothing that, you know, excites them. So it's like they have to be a part of whatever you got going. I mean, I don't know why it's like that, but it's like that, you know. I'm just keeping it all the way real. So some people, they just want to be a part of whatever you're doing. So they feel a little like awkward, and they have some hate for you, some jealousy for you. And it's like, dang, like they want to be a part of what you're doing, but there's no place for them. There's no role for them, you know. So it's like another thing, like I can cook, like, you know, crazy cooking, you know, you can see on my channel, I'll be cooking up crazy food, ghetto gourmet. It's baddies out here to be mad at me because I can cook. I can outcook better than them. So it's like, I don't need a shorty to cook for me. I can cook for you. I can cook, you know, amazingly well, you know, because I've been cooking since a kid. I ain't had no choice. I was a latchkey kid, all right? And so that's where I come from, you know. So I was cooking since like I was in 3rd grade, you know, walking home from school. You know, mom's at work and pops halfway across the country somewhere. So, you know, I had no choice. I had to learn how to cook. So, you know, people get mad when you just know how to learn how to do stuff for yourself, like all this fitness stuff. I didn't have no personal trainer. You know, I popped on P90X fitness DVDs and I learned off of that, you know. Sean T Insanity fitness DVDs, and I learned off of that. And I just took it into my own hands and started going to the gym and, you know, incorporating those workouts and just making my own stuff. So, you know, now it's like, yo, I figured it out by myself like that, you know, shit like that. And I just had the motivation to win, you know. So it'd be like that, you know. Anytime I ran a business, I run business. In the business, I always ran the business by myself. I mean, I had a partner, you know, but aside from like having a partner in another country, aside from that, I'm running the business by myself out here. So everything I do is just all by myself. I run everything by myself. So people will just kind of despise you, you know, when you don't need them. You just focus on yourself, you know, and it's weird like that, but you know, it's just how it be. Like, you know, like today, for a perfect example, right? I was in the gym, you know, chopping it up with this one baddie that, you know, nobody talks to but just me. So, you know, I was training her up recently, lately, and all that. And then, you know, I told her hop on the treadmill with me and we could talk and vibe, because that's how we started off being friends. And she was like, nah, I'm gonna go do the Stairmaster. I was like, all right, bet, no doubt. So I hopped on the treadmill, and then this other baddie that I don't really ever talk to, she's on the treadmill right next to me. So then we start talking. So she's on the Stairmaster right behind us, watching me and this other baddie talk for like 20 minutes straight, having a good time. We laughing, joking, and she right there behind me. So it's like, dang, she's probably feeling some type of way, because like when she left, she didn't say bye or nothing. You know, she looked at me like, you know, she might have been kind of mad. But I mean, hey, I told you hop on the treadmill with me, but you didn't want to. So it's like, yo, I went on the treadmill by myself, and then just so happened another baddie was there, and we started chopping it up for like 20 minutes. And, you know, it was all to the good. You know, I wasn't invading their space. You know, I'm not rude like that. You know, if somebody don't want to talk, I don't talk. If they want to talk, we can talk. There's no big deal. It's whatever. Bottom line, I was doing my own thing. And she just happened to see it. She's right behind me on the Stairmaster. It is what it is. It could have been her right there chopping it with me, but she said no. So people will get mad at you, you know. Females will get mad when you don't just stop and bow down to what they want to do. It's like, you got to just do your own thing out here. You got to move around at your own pace, your own way, your own mind state. You know, people want you to be under their mind control, and fuck all that, man. Screw all that, man. It's your mind, your moves the way you want to do it. You know, okay? You don't got to be under nobody else's mind control, because at the end of the day, like, you're born alone, you die alone, straight up like that. So, yo, that's how it goes. Just stay focused on doing what you're gonna do, and people gonna hate you and despise you just for doing you and not being up under their thumb. Okay, they don't like that shit. You a bachelor, you a single male, you don't get hate. People straight up be hating on that vibe, you know, that independent vibe, you know. So hey, but if you can make it out here, you know, just doing you with no help like that, hey, you can make it anywhere, straight like that. You can think for yourself, move for yourself. Hey, that's how it be. It is what it is, and that's how it's gonna go. So, yo, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, we'll keep blasting off, man, with them prophetic messages and top 10 gems, you know, credit game for the goons, the ghetto gourmet, the fitness method, all the above, man. All that stuff's gonna keep blasting off. Just keep pulling up, keep tapping in. Like, subscribe, smash the button right now. You heard? Come on. Show the goons some love, man. It's happening. Putting in work for you. Crazy work. You heard? And so, yo, you can take these jewels and win with them. Fire gems, fire game, all real life talk, you know? So just stay focused on you, stay focused on your path. And I know it's lonely. It does get lonely, okay? I'm keeping it all the way real. It's going to be lonely. But you know what? It's going to pay off, and you're going to be so happy. It was a lonely road getting to a fit body. Now I got, you know, damn near 10% body fat, rock solid body, and it feels amazing. I get crazy respect, crazy love, and it feels good. You know, it feels good to know I'm 40 years age and I can pull baddies half my age, 20, all day, every day. It feels good, but you got to put that work in. I was 300 pounds, okay? I didn't start off like this. So always know that it feels good when you just invest into yourself, bet on yourself, and stay focused, all right? You can win. So until next time, with my goons worldwide, chosen ones, what up? Salute. Peace.